Good day for it, people. Wind's calm, sun shining. Good day for spraying Liberty. Fingers healed. Let's get it. This was my first sprayed Liberty field. Look at how the cereals are getting all pale and yellow, starting to burn off, and that canola starting to grow through. Haven't done that one yet. I think our peas look the best out of everything so far. They're seeded early, seeded deep, they're nice and thick. Sprayed those. This is our later seeded wheat. I'm done spraying all the wheat. The wheat is seems like it's slow going, but it's starting to take off now. Same with the canola. It's a bit small. Haven't had a lot of heat, just a lot of showery weather and wind. But things are starting to take off now. We've had 6.5 inches of rainfall this spring so far. This is Invigor L340. Hence the Liberty I'm spraying at 10.5 gallons. So I can do a whole quarter with the big tank. So the canola looks okay. It's a little bit patchy. I think just because of the cool weather. It's supposed to warm up here starting today, 21 degrees, and then mid-20s for a week or so, which is good for spraying Liberty. I think it's a little bit patchy, the canola, just because it was a little bit wetter than we wanted when seeding. Get 132-foot booms. They're awesome. They're great. It's a little bulky in this corner. Taking out more and more trees just to fit this thing. It is hot as toast in here. Good for Liberty. Air up the water trailer. My dad's spraying. Switched him. Air the black stallion up. We got about 500 gallons left. 2 tanks of water left on the trailer. Quite a bit of chem. Big totes have 4 fills in them, 864 liters at 1.35 liters per acre on Liberty. So I got one fill left there, very scientifically measured. The small totes have 2 fills in them, they're the 432, and then the barrels are 80 acres a barrel. This is way worse. Spraying's way better than this. Try not to drive all over the place with the sprayer. We don't fill the yard. We try to get the water to the sprayer every fill. I think it's a little bit more efficient, but therefore you have to do stuff like this. Back down goat trail roads and stuff. Water boy. What a day for Liberty. Calm, warm. There it goes. Takes a minute for it to prime. I put in for 3 tanks, so it'll be enough to finish everything. So this was sprayed already. Finally some warm days and the canola will start to really grow here. It was so small for so long. Finally, the leaves are starting to branch out a little bit. Volunteer cereals are starting to burn off. Got a little ambitious and almost put the boom in the cabbage there. So the centurion turns those grasses yellow, kind of a pale yellow. Yeah, finally things are starting to look good. It has to after over 6 inches of rainfall so early. Just need some heat now. Crazy to think that's what we're asking for. The boys are still alive. Back in the sprayer now, visiting the scene of the crime where I got stuck with the fence. Oh, the ruts aren't even bad. That's one thing with the tracks. They don't leave big ruts like tires do. Those that watch these videos that I make, you know that I love farming and I love hockey. Tomorrow, chance of thunder showers all day, wind and rain. Not the best for spraying Liberty. But tomorrow night, the Oilers are dragging the Panthers back to Alberta to force a Game 6 in the Stanley Cup Final. And then they're going to drag them back to Florida to force a Game 7. I'm 5 hours away from Edmonton. Chance of a lifetime, and I'm not missing it. So let's go Oilers!